Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this warming mat for food, of course, that this brand sent to me for the video. I have tried it, and I think it's actually pretty good for, a couple of scenarios, like if you have a party, a gathering, or if you are going away and you're waiting for someone at your house and want to have their food kind of like hot or warm, you can actually have this one. Just like plug it in. It has a really kind of like long cable, I have to say, and you plug it on the side. And then the other thing about this one is that for storage, you can actually put it just like this, and you can just fold it. If you want, you can put it in this kind of like carry-on bag to take it with you on the go if you're going out for a trip, vacations, or something like that. And then you can use this Velcro to secure on these sides, and that's gonna be it. It's a 23 inches, and it's really easy to clean. You just like wipe it, and that's it. You don't have to actually even wash it if you don't want. And then on the bag, it comes with this over here, which I think is also good for this one. Avoid to moving and slipping away. So that is really good. At 23 inches works perfectly, but actually, let me show it to you on a close. So it is really easy to operate. You're gonna see that in here you have two buttons. You have actually it's just one button over here, and then it's gonna tell you what's the actual temp. So you're gonna tell it how much you want it to heat. So I'm gonna put actually 176, but you can actually push this one up to 212 Fahrenheit degrees. So that's actually really good. And a timer right here just to how much you want this to be on and warming up your food. For example, this one can go to 1, 2, 3, or 4 hours. And then just put up the plates over here. It will be heating the plates, just like warming them up. It also works for drinks, for example, for coffee, for tea, or things like that. So you can have this one in your home office as well. You can see that this one keeps ramping up the temp. It kind of like started in 77, now it's 98, so it goes pretty fast. And this one, it is already warm. I can just like put my hand in it, and that's how long. It's 100 degrees already. Yeah, it's already hot. So it's gonna keep warming up your plate, and then that is gonna actually transfer to your food. So it's gonna keep warming. That's super, super good with drinks as well. 23 inches, really easy to operate and really easy to clean as well. If you are waiting for someone who had a party or gathering and want your food to be warm, this could be a perfect solution. Like it, I do recommend it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.